Doing a quick oil change video on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt, and it has 310,189 miles on it, and the oil life is at let's see here, 31%. The oil drain plug takes a 15 millimeter. And we will see how dark the oil is. Usually only get the oil life monitor down to about 30% before I change the oil. I think it has about 5,000 or 6,000 miles in the last oil change. Definitely don't tighten it up too much. You don't want to strip it out, but you just want to make sure it's nice and snug. And I usually like to check underneath the car for oil leaks. Check the motor mounts. And just the general condition of the underside of the car while you're under here. Steering rack. CV boots. It all looks pretty good. Okay, next thing we're going to remove is the oil filter housing lid, and that takes a 32 millimeter specialty oil filter socket. Is a low profile. And the oil filter for this 2009 Chevy Cobalt with a 2.2 liter engine is S9018R. And it always comes with a new gasket for the top of the oil filter housing. off any excess oil. That way when I check it later I can see if it leaks. ZZP makes the best oil caps. That is amazing. It's billet aluminum. And I absolutely love it. And I'm using the high mileage 5W30 STP. So I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life monitor. To reset the oil life monitor, you want to turn the key on the on position. And you scroll through until it has the oil life monitor displayed. So you're going to turn the ignition on, and within 5 seconds you're going to push down on the pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to turn the vehicle off and then start it, and that should have reset it to 100%. And there you go. That's how you reset the oil life monitor. Doing an oil change on these Ecotec 2.2 liter engines are a joy. They're super easy. So if you like Chevy Cobalt repairs and Ecotec 2.2 liter engine repairs and upgrades, and you want to see the next step in parting out my 2007 Chevy Cobalt in removing the engine, go and subscribe to the channel.